Let's talk about reverse mortgages, specifically HECM reverse mortgages. If you ever heard someone say the bank takes your house or your kids get nothing, this video is for you. Because most of what people hear about reverse mortgages is either outdated or just flat out wrong. So let's slow it down, talk like real people, and walk through how this actually works. What a HECM really is. A HECM stands for Home Equity Conversion Mortgage. It's the most common type of reverse mortgage. It's insured by the Federal Housing Administration and regulated by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. Here's the simplest way to think about it. You've spent years paying into your home. A HECM allows you to access some of that equity while you're still living there. You still own the home, your name stays on the title. The big difference is this. Instead of you paying the bank every month, the bank can pay you. Let's talk how payments actually work. This is important. With a HECM, there is no required monthly mortgage payment. But, and this matters, you still have the option to make payments if you want to. Some homeowners choose to make voluntary monthly payments, pay down interest, preserve more equity long term. Others choose not to make payments at all. Both options are allowed. The only ongoing requirements are that you live in the home as your primary residence, pay property taxes, keep homeowners insurance, maintain the home. That's it. Let's make this real. Let's say you're 70 years old. Your home is worth $600,000. You still owe $100,000 on your mortgage. A HECM could allow you to pay off the existing mortgage, eliminate that monthly payment completely, and still access additional funds. Now you have options. You could take a monthly payment to supplement retirement income, a line of credit for emergencies, or a mix of both. And if you want to make a payment later, you can. You're in control. Over time, the loan balance may grow. That's because interest accrues, mortgage insurance accrues, and payments are optional. This means home equity usually decreases. That's not a secret. That's just math. Which is why a reverse mortgage isn't about maximizing inheritance. It's about cash flow, stability, and aging in place. This is where there's a lot of confusion. First, the spouse is protected. If one spouse passes away, the surviving spouse can continue living in the home for the rest of their life, as long as the loan requirements are met. Taxes, insurance are paid, and the home is maintained. They are not forced out. Now, when the last borrower permanently leaves this home or passes away, here's what actually happens. The heirs can sell the home and pay off the loan, or refinance the balance into a traditional mortgage, or pay off the balance with other funds. And here's a key protection. A HECM is non-recourse. That means the loan balance can never exceed the value of the home. No debt passes to the family. Here's what a HECM is not. Let's clear this up plainly. A HECM is not the bank taking your house, a scam, a loan your kids inherit, something you lose control over. It is simply a loan secured by your home with flexible repayment rules designed for retirement years. Who this actually makes sense for? A HECM tends to work best for homeowners who plan to stay in their home long term, want to eliminate monthly mortgage payments, need supplemental income, want a financial safety net, prefer flexibility over liquidity. It may not be ideal if you plan to move soon, you don't need access to equity, or preserving a maximum inheritance is the top priority. Here are my final thoughts. A reverse mortgage is not good or bad by default. It's just a tool. When used correctly, it can provide peace of mind, monthly cash flow, and the ability to stay in your home longer. If you or a family member are exploring this option and want to see real numbers based on your home and age, There's a link below to walk through scenarios or have a no pressure conversation. Education's first, decisions second. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.